Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. So let's take a look at what's happening in crypto. So currently we have just under 20,600 cryptos, 509 exchanges. So that's like over 10 exchanges more since the last time. That's very interesting. And market cap is just around $1.144 trillion and 24-hour volume very modest at 67 billion. So what's happening with the top coins? So Bitcoin currently sits at 24,000, slightly down on 24 hours and just slightly up on the 7 days. Bitcoin's market cap 459 billion, Ethereum just under 1.9 thousand. So those are actually really good increases since the basically bottom we had a month ago. As you can see here, in last 30 days, Bitcoin's up 12. Ethereum's absolutely doing fantastic. It's actually killing it, 38% up. BNB is actually doing really great so far in this bear market. Market cap 51 billion, 25% up on the last 30 days. I think no one talks really about BNB, but BNB definitely has a great future. Between Ethereum and BNB, obviously we have, Tether and USD coin. Then we have Cardano and XRP are constantly swapping places for the domination basically of the fourth largest coin, excluding stable coins. So Cardano's at 56 cents, XRP 37, and the market cap of Cardano 19 billion and 18.4 for XRP. However, when you take a look at the last 30 days, Cardano's almost up 24%, and that's basically leading to this Vasily fork. So hopefully that's happening soon. And what's gonna happen then? Whether it's gonna be one of those buy the rumor, sell the news, or it's gonna continue to go up, who knows? I'm holding Cardano. I'm a long-term believer in Cardano, and I truly believe to do your own research, and once you believe in the project, just buy and hold. Okay, XRP is very modest, 5.5% up. There's a few other coins that are doing really well on the 30-day cycle. Dogecoin up 34%, Polkadot 22%, Shiba is absolutely doing great, 48% up, Avalanche, Polygon, so loads of really good winners there. Okay, so let's go to the trading view and let's take a look at something different. Let's try to figure out whether we have already bottomed or the bottom is close, or we're gonna bottom in November. Everyone has a different theory, but this is one of them. Okay, so we are looking at BTC USD chart on a weekly time frame, and here those three lines we have basically 20-week SMA, the green line, 100-week, the orange line, and 200-week, the yellow line. Okay, as you can see here, the green and orange has crossed just before this big capitulation there, okay, back in June, and since we'll be going pretty much kind of sideways. And as you can see, the green line, okay, so 20-week is actually heading towards the 200-week, okay, and if that's going to continue, they might potentially cross somewhere here. If you would just extend that, around maybe 24,000, which is absolutely possible, okay. If it's gonna continue this way, then we might basically in the next month, middle of September, okay. However, let's take a look back to the last bear market and see what happened there. Okay, so as you can see here, we had this top of the bull market December 2017, and then we basically, as you can see, once we went down below the 20-week, okay, we had this major drop down. Then we went and we played with it for a couple of weeks, okay, but ultimately we were rejected. We went down again, we went back up to the 20-week yet again, down, back up to 20-week, down and up. And as you can see, we were rejected number of times from this 20-week, and then we basically were going on the 20-week, and finally we capitulated down. Okay, and as you can see, the green and orange, so 20 and 100 week, basically crossed here, which was pretty much spot on the bottom of the bear market. Okay, so what happened next? So from that point here, from the crossing, okay, we had another around 100 days, okay, until we have seen this massive green candle. Okay, so on this one candle we went up by 32%. Okay, that was a massive weekly candle. Okay, so let's try to apply that thinking to today's situation. Okay, so let's try to measure that and see where the 105 days would take us. So we have the crossing here, okay, this week there. 105 days would be basically here. Okay, so this is really 105 days. It's really taking us to the middle of September. There you go. Look at that, 19th of September. So that would actually work out quite well with those two, the green one and the yellow one, basically crossing or probably coming very, very close to each other. So let's actually take a look if they ever crossed. They haven't crossed here. As you can see, we have the same pattern. Once we crossed, okay, the orange line, so 100 week was going pretty much straight, and the green 20 week was going down to almost mid the 200 week. Okay, and what's happening now? Okay, as we can see, the situation looks like the situation is repeating itself. Okay, so the orange or 100 week is going straight, and the green one 20 week is going down. Okay, however, are we going to see now a pullback, and you know the 200 week is going to continue to go more or less straight, and this one's going to pull back up to the upside? Because what happened then, and when they actually crossed back again, so you can see they crossed back again here, but we went already, so we went down as low as $3,100. Okay, and when they crossed back, it was actually higher than the previous crossing, so it was at around just over 7,200. Okay, and the first crossing was at around 6,700. Okay, and in terms of days between the two crossings, there was 217 days. Okay, so let's take a look at that, where 217 days would take us. So basically we would end up around here. Okay, so beginning of January 2023, which is absolutely possible. Okay, and if the situation would repeat itself again, we would actually be higher than the previous crossing. So that would take us probably somewhere around here, which is around $42,000 to $45,000 for Bitcoin. And again, do you think that's possible? Do you think we're gonna go lower from here? Do you think we're gonna have bottom in November, December, as many people claims? Do you think we're gonna go down to as low as $10,000 or $8,000? Let me know in the comments below. And please don't forget, if you like the comments, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Okay, so I think we absolutely could. As you can see here, we have plenty of time to get back to 40 to 45,000 level by January 2023. Okay, that's really, really interesting. All right, so let's take a look now at the bull market support band on a weekly time frame and see what is happening here. Okay, so as you can see here, 2021, okay, so we had basically the first major top of Bitcoin, 2021, 65,000. Then we had this huge capitulation in May, okay, and we went down as far as 50% in 2 weeks. It was absolutely quick and brutal. Then we went sideways for 2 months, okay, and then we had basically another 2 legs up, okay, of 126%, okay. And in the middle, so we basically broke above the bull market support band here, then we went down to retest it, which was perfect, and then everyone thought we're gonna go as high as 100,000, maybe $120,000. We ended up on 69, and ultimately we came back down below bull market support band. We retested it again, but the bulls didn't have enough strength. We went down, retested again, came back down, retested it again, and as you can see, we played with it so many times. Okay, and then we went down as low as 17.5, and now it looks like over the next couple of weeks we're gonna potentially retest it again. So the next couple of weeks will be really important. Okay, do you think we're gonna fall down again? So we're gonna retest it here around 26,000 and fall down, maybe then retest it again, or we're gonna go above it to as high as maybe 33 to come down, and hopefully we're gonna hold it as a support. Okay, that would be probably the best case scenario, but let's see what has happened in 2018. So as you can see here, the top of the bull market, we went down, retested it, we failed, down, retested. We played with it a number of times to ultimately capitulate and went down to $3,000. And then from that point, it took us actually, from this big capitulation, it took us 105 days. Again, 105 days. It's a very significant number. So 105 days from that takes us pretty much here. Okay, so end of September. So potentially end of September, we could go above the bull market support band and then hold it back as here, as a support. So just take a look what happened here. So on the first attempt, we went actually through it, okay, and then we held it as a support, and then that took us, actually, that was a big move. So if you're gonna measure that move from the bottom to here, okay, 196 days, okay, so just under 7 months, okay, and that took us 344% up, okay. That would be absolutely beautiful, 344% up. So if you just can imagine where that would take us, 300%, that would be absolutely beautiful and unbelievable. Look, 340% from this current bottom would take us to 70, just under 78,000. Okay, I don't think that's possible, but look, this is crypto, this is Bitcoin. Anything and everything is possible. Okay, what do you think will happen over the next month? Okay, are we gonna hold this as a resistance and we're gonna come down ultimately to retest this basically longer support channel, or we are going to break through it, hold it as a support, and ultimately go higher to see maybe 30s and 40s. Okay, so what do you think happens first? We go below 20 or we gonna see 30? I'm always on the bullish side, so I think we're gonna see 30 before we're gonna see under 20 again. I think we're gonna wrap up the video here. If you like the content, please smash that like button, you know, help the channel, and have a great day. Thank you.